Jacy Jayne, a superstar with a rock star attitude.
The following contest is a tornado tag team match. Introducing first, from Tampa, Florida, Jacy Jayne.
Jacy is definitely unafraid to take the respect she so rightly deserves by force.
She's entitled for sure. We can't deny there's a reason Jacy Jayne continues to come out on top. And I don't just mean the underhand attacks and rule breaking.
She's been able to channel all that attitude she has in spades and turn it into fuel. It allows her to prove everyone wrong when the lights are at their brightest, like when she won the NXT Women's Championship.
Already so accomplished, I can't wait to see what Jacy does next.
Well, you won't have to wait much longer, Cole.
Prepare for battle. It's Zaria. Ready to wreak apocalyptic destruction in the ring, and will probably be smiling the whole time too.
And her partner, from Adelaide, Australia, the NXT Women's Champion, Zaria.
The Australian powerhouse, Zaria, has had her fair share of ups and downs since landing in the WWE.
You know, that's because sometimes she thinks with her heart instead of her head. That's not what this business is about.
I know we all know what this business is about.
I'm just saying, she needs to start looking out for herself here. Zaria, ready to go to battle tonight.
Here and ready to roar.
And their opponents, from Los Angeles, California, Nakkita, Lyons.
With a black belt in Taekwondo, you know Nakkita Lyons is always a threat no matter her opponent.
It's not just the arsenal, but the discipline that one learns in martial arts. Every element of her training makes Lyons so dominant in the ring.